How to switch to delivery only on Instacart. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can switch to delivery only for your products that you buy on Instacart. Now the process is actually quite simple. You can see I'm doing so on the browser, but the process is similar on the app itself as well. You want to simply head into instacart.com on your browser if you want to do it on browser, and you want to make sure you're logged into your account. In my case, you can see I'm already logged into my account. What you want to do is here, once you add the items to your cart, and if you tap on the cart icon, you can see the cart icon at the top right corner. If I tap on it, and here you'll be able to proceed to checkout. You can see go to checkout option. Now here, normally when you tap on go to checkout there, it'll ask you for delivery details or pickup details. Now you'll get two different options, the delivery details and the pickup details. In my case, it's showing only delivery details because I haven't ordered anything yet. But if you get two different options here, on the top right you'll find the pickup at wait option and delivery option. You want to simply switch to delivery. You want to tap on delivery option and you want to add in your delivery address, delivery instructions, time, every single details here that's required. And once you do so, if you go ahead and buy the item, then it'll be switched to delivery. So this way you can switch to delivery only on Instacart. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.